did you get? Do you think he loves her?
You can't tell Christina.
I know that. That's why I hate your job. Yeah.
Wow. Impressive technique. Who taught you that?
Mark, he taught me one-handed ties, mattress stitches, dual arm photographs. Now he can teach his techniques to read.
Lexi.
It's fine. I'm fine. I don't care. I'm with Alex. I do not care about Mark and or who he sleeps with.
That's the same thing I keep telling myself about Arizona, that I don't care. And you know what? Sometimes it works for the most part, but then a patient gets asked to move across the country for a man she barely knows, and all I can think is how stupid they were to let each other go in the first place. All I want is for her to change her mind and say yes. I want to believe.
Okay, time to close off the canal. We're using fascia and bone wax. Yep, and then we'll cover it with the orbital bone grafting from this tissue.
Benjamin. I did.
You cover a hole with a bone graft, and this girl gets her whole life back. Wouldn't it be nice if everything in life got answered?
I hoped it wouldn't leave such a big scar. Well, it'll look better in a couple of weeks once it has a chance to heal. Doing shampoo commercials in no time. And your hand is just bumps and bruises, right? I lost 3 fingers today, Trish.